Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ever been blocked from watching your favorite K-drama or unable to access your Korean bank account because you're outside the country? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a South Korean IP address in just a few minutes. Let's get started. So why would you want a South Korean IP address? Let me break it down for you. First, streaming and entertainment. If you're a fan of K-dramas, variety shows, or K-pop, you know that platforms like Netflix Korea, TVING, Kocowa, and Wavve have exclusive content only available in Korea. Without a Korean IP, you're missing out. Second, banking and government services. If you have a Korean bank account or need to access government sites ending in .go.kr, you've probably seen this frustrating block. These services often restrict access to Korean IPs only for security reasons. Third, gaming and online activities. Want to play on Korean gaming servers for lower ping or exclusive events? Or maybe you need to bypass school or work firewalls. A Korean IP also lets you use local search engines like Naver and Daum effectively. So how do you get one? Let's dive in. There are a few ways to get a Korean IP, using a proxy, Tor, or a VPN. But let me save you time. A VPN is the most reliable, secure, and user-friendly option. Why VPN? First, proxies are slow and not secure. Second, Tor is too slow for streaming and might not even give you a Korean exit node. Importantly, VPNs encrypt your traffic, protect your privacy, and are super easy to set up. Choose a VPN with Korean servers is your first step. I recommend UFO VPN because it has fast servers in Seoul and works with all major Korean platforms. Go to the website or app from the App Store for your device. It works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Open the app and connect to a Korean server. Look for South Korea in the server list and click Connect. It only takes a few seconds. Go to a site to check if your IP is now in Korea, then try accessing Netflix Korea or Naver. With UFO VPN, you'll have access to 2,000 plus servers across the globe, plus dedicated gaming routes for favorites like Roblox, PUBG Mobile, and Mobile Legends. So your connection stays fast and optimized for play. Your privacy is a priority too. UFO VPN uses military-grade encryption and enforces a strict no-logs policy to keep your passwords, payments, and personal information secure. That's it. You're now ready to access Korea-only content, banking, and more. Remember, always use a trusted VPN for security.